ServSafe CH for exam questions. T/F You can let the stem/probe touch the container of the ice water when calibrating. False. What are two ways to calibrate your thermometer? A. Boiling point method. B. Ice point method. Temps where pathogens grow most rapidly, more specific than temp danger zone. 70 to 125. This thermometer indicates the highest temperature reached during use and is used where temperature readings cannot be continuously observed. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple/thermistor. C. Infrared thermometer. D. Maximum registering thermometer. D. Maximum registering thermometer. When checking the temp, insert the probe into the thickest/thinnest part of the food, usually found where? Underscore. Thickest, the center. At what temp does water boil? 212 F, 100 C. Used to check the internal temp of food, and great for checking thin food, hamburger patties, fish fillets. A. Immersion probe. B. Surface probe. C. Penetration probe. D. Air probe. C. Penetration probe. If food is held in the temperature danger zone for or more hours, it must be thrown out. 4 or more hours. Surface temp of a griddle. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple with immersion probe. C. Thermocouple with surface probe. D. Thermocouple with penetration probe. E. Thermocouple with air probe. F. Infrared thermometer. C. Thermocouple with surface probe. And F. Infrared thermometer. Thermometers used to measure the temp of food must be accurate to within +/___ degrees. A. 2 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree Celsius. B. 3 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.5 degrees Celsius. A. 2 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree Celsius. You should wait _____seconds to read a bimetallic stem thermometer after inserting it into the food. A. 5 seconds. B. 15 seconds. C. 30 seconds. D. 60 seconds. B. 15 seconds. Internal temp of fryer oil. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple with immersion probe. C. Thermocouple with surface probe. D. Thermocouple with penetration probe. E. Thermocouple with air probe. F. Infrared thermometer. B. Thermocouple with immersion probe. T/F If you only have one cutting board, just wash it before using the poultry. False. It must be washed, rinsed, and sanitized. T/F You must wash, rinse, sanitize and air dry thermometers between uses. True. Cannot measure air temp/internal temp of a food. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple with immersion probe. C. Thermocouple with surface probe. D. Thermocouple with penetration probe. E. Thermocouple with air probe. F. Infrared thermometer. F. Infrared thermometer. Used to check the temperature of liquids, soups, sauces, frying oil. A. Immersion probe. B. Surface probe. C. Penetration probe. D. Air probe. A. Immersion probe. Internal temp of a roast. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple with immersion probe. C. Thermocouple with surface probe. D. Thermocouple with penetration probe. E. Thermocouple with air probe. F. Infrared thermometer. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. D. Thermocouple with penetration probe. Bimetallic stem thermometers must be scaled in at least ____ increments. 2 degree increments. Used to check the temperature of flat cooking equipment, such as griddles. A. Immersion probe. B. Surface probe. C. Penetration probe. D. Air probe. B. Surface probe. When must you calibrate a thermometer? A. After it has been bumped/dropped. B. After it's been exposed to extreme temp changes. C. Before deliveries arrive. D. Before each shift. All the above. Which thermometer is used to measure surface temps? A. Thermistor. B. Thermocouple. C. Infrared thermometer. D. Bimetallic stem thermometer. C. Infrared thermometer. This type of thermometer is not good for measuring thin foods, like hamburger patties. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple/thermistor. C. Infrared thermometer. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. Air temperature of a cooler. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple with immersion probe. C. Thermocouple with surface probe. D. Thermocouple with penetration probe. E. Thermocouple with air probe. F. Infrared thermometer. E. Thermocouple with air probe. The ___ is the mark on the stem of a bimetallic stem thermometer that shows the end of the temperature sensing area. Dimple. Measure temperatures through a metal probe. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple/thermistor. C. Infrared thermometer. B. Thermocouple/thermistor. What range of temps can bimetallic stem thermometers check? ____ to degrees F. 0 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Thermometer with less chance of cross-contamination. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple/thermistor. C. Infrared thermometer. C. Infrared thermometer. T/F. You should always take more than one temperature reading in different places of a food. True. When doing the ice point method, how long do you have to hold the thermometer in the water for it to calibrate? A. 5 sec. B. 15 sec. C. 30 sec. D. 60 sec. C. 30 sec. Internal temp of a fish fillet. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple with immersion probe. C. Thermocouple with surface probe. D. Thermocouple with penetration probe. E. Thermocouple with air probe. F. Infrared thermometer. D. Thermocouple with penetration probe. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. When using an infrared thermometer, do not take readings through A. Would be metal. C. Stainless steel. D. Glass. E. Aluminum. B. Metal, stainless steel, aluminum. D. Glass. T/F. You can prep raw and ready to eat food on the same table at the same time. False. Miss it. Use at different times. Prep ready to eat before raw food. Used to check the temperature inside coolers and ovens. A. Immersion probe. B. Surface probe. C. Penetration probe. D. Air probe. D. Air probes. Good for checking thin or thin food because you only have to touch the tip of the probe to the food you are checking. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple/thermistor. C. Infrared thermometer. B. Thermocouple/thermistor. What is a time temperature indicator? It can be attached to a package by a supplier. The color change appears in the window if the food has been time temperature abused during shipment/storage. The color change is not reversible, so you know if a food has been abused. When using a bimetallic stem thermometer, enter thermometer into food up to the __________________. You must do this because the _______________ area is from the tip to the first blank repeated. Dimple, sensing area, dimple. Thermometer that doesn't need to touch a surface to check its temperature. A. Bimetallic stem thermometer. B. Thermocouple/thermistor. C. Infrared thermometer. C. Infrared thermometer. Thermometers used to measure air temp must be accurate to within A. 2 degrees Fahrenheit, 1 degree Celsius. B. 3 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.5 degrees Celsius. B. 3 degrees Fahrenheit, 1.5 degrees Celsius. Grade for measuring the final rinse temperature of dishwashing machine A, bimetallic stem thermometer B, thermocouple / thermistor C, infrared thermometer D. Maximum registering thermometer D. Maximum registering thermometer. T/F. A way to prevent X contamination is to buy prepared food. True. X. Chopped lettuce. T/F. Wash and rinse a cutting board after prepping raw fish. False. Sanitize it too. In order to use a _____ thermometer, it must be enclosed in a shatterproof casing. Glass thermometer. Which is the safest / easiest method for calibrating a thermometer? A. Boiling point method. B. Ice point method. B. Ice point method. Temperature danger zone where pathogens survive and grow. 41 to 135.